Sagutin natin ang tanong na who is the first female midwife or physician in ancient times? Some research says that she is a gynecologist. Since she is studied under Herophilus, kilala si Herophilus na ang work niya is gynecologist at siya ang nakadiscover sa ovary. So this woman is Agnodis. Agnodis in English. Agnodike in Greek. Ang ganda ng story ni Agnodis na sinulat at kinento ng isang Roman author na si Gaius Julius Hyginus. Agnodis became a physician at nagtrabaho siya sa kanyang city kung saan sa Athens. And Agnodis disguised as a man. Because at the time, women are forbidden to practice medicine. So, to make the story short, nahuli si Agnodis at kinasuhan. But people of Athens fight for her because of her effective treatment. So, gustong-gusto siya ng mga tao sa Athens. At nanalo naman sila. After what happened to Agnodis, the law against women to practice medicine was revoked. So, napakatapang ni Agnodis. Talagang ginawa niya ng paraan para ipakita na kaya din ng mga babae magtrabaho. So, yun lang. I hope na nagustuhan niyo yung lecture ko ngayon. And please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification below for more updates. Bye!